Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar silver metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. Tires are in good condition. An ash MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside. Got memory seats, power windows. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, our radio, black ash trim, radio, heated seats, dual climate controls. This CLA has 41,907 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA, check out feldmanimports.com.